Are your parents ready for their dream visit to the USA? Don't let travel stress ruin their adventure. Here's the ultimate guide to ensure a smooth journey. First things first, make sure they have a valid B1-B2 visa and a passport with at least 6 months of validity. Missing these can halt their trip before it even begins. Booking flights? Opt for non-stop flights to reduce travel fatigue. If layovers are necessary, choose major international airports for a smoother experience. Ensure return tickets are booked. Packing smart is key. Use packing cubes to save space and keep things organized. Don't forget essentials like prescription drugs and a first aid kit in their carry-on. Immigration can be daunting. Encourage your parents to stay confident and answer questions honestly. Keep all important documents handy for easy access. Preparation is key. At the immigration clearance, the officer may ask to see documents and/or return flight tickets. Ask your parents to present the requested document to make the immigration process smooth. Research transit visa. Requirements for layovers and apply in advance if needed. Choose routes that avoid countries requiring extra documentation to simplify the journey. Upon arrival, arrange for airport pickup on time. Ensure they activate a local SIM card or international roaming to stay connected. Summer travel season means booking early to avoid peak travel days. Traveling light and preparing a detailed packing list can make the trip more comfortable. Health and safety are paramount. Ensure they have travel medical insurance for any unforeseen emergencies. At Onshore Care, we offer pre-existing conditions coverage plans. Avoid common mistakes like forgetting travel documents or overpacking. Inform banks about international travel to prevent transaction blocks on their cards. If you need more information or help selecting a travel medical insurance plan for your parents, call us at +1 855 652 5565 or visit our website www.oshorecare.com.